Welcome to the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway, a bridge so long that, at one point, drivers can't see land in any direction. Stretching nearly 24 miles across open water, it holds the title of the longest continuous bridge over water in the United States. Today, we're riding across it, experiencing the engineering, the history, and the wild beauty of Louisiana's most iconic crossing.
Sun's creeping up on the edge of the plains, chrome catching light like a spark in my veins. Wind on my shoulders, life on my back. Every mile on the map pulls my heart off the track. From Texas heat to the mountain air, where the sky feels close and the road feels rare. Two wheels humming like they're singing for me, a wide open world and a heart running free. I'm riding around the country, chasing lines and chasing dreams. From the bayous to the badlands to the coast where freedom screams. Every mile's a story, every sunset paints my sky. Yeah, I'm riding around the country, leaving yesterday behind. Highway towns with a neon glow, rivers rolling slow where the wild winds blow. Bridges rise up as the engines roar, and I'm always finding something worth riding for. From desert stars to the smoky blue, from the Great Lakes shine to the Gulf Coast hue. I don't need much, just the throttle and time, and the one I love holding on behind. I'm riding around the country, chasing lines and chasing dreams. From the bayous to the badlands to the coast where freedom screams. Every mile's a story, every sunset paints my sky. Yeah, I'm riding around the country, leaving yesterday behind. Every curve's a heartbeat, every town's a song, and every time I try to stop, the road just pulls me on. So let the wheels spin steady, let the long ride set me free. The whole wide world is calling, and it's calling out to me. I'm riding around the country where the wild winds tell their tale. From the Red Rock Canyon's echo to the far-gone coastal trail. Every mile's a memory, every sunrise hits just right. Yeah, I'm riding around the country, chasing freedom in the light. So turn the key, feel the rumble, let the whole world drift away. I'll be riding around the country till I run out of days.
The total length is 23.83 miles, or 38.35 kilometers. For nearly 50 years, this bridge held the Guinness World Record as the longest overwater bridge in the world. It briefly lost the title to a Chinese mega bridge, but regained the record after Guinness created a new category, longest continuous bridge over water. And the causeway still holds that title today. When construction began in the 1950s, engineers were entering unknown territory. Lake Pontchartrain is shallow, averaging only 12 to 14 feet deep, but storms, waves, and Louisiana's soft soils made building a challenge. The solution? More than 9,000 massive concrete pilings, driven deep into the lake bed, supporting two nearly straight spans that almost disappear into the horizon.
Leather boots hitting that midnight road, wind in my hair like a story untold. Black top burns, but I don't slow down. I was made for the roar of a reckless sound. Heartbreak came, but it didn't stay long. I turned the pain into a rebel girl song. Ain't no chain gonna hold me tight. I'm the spark at the edge of a matchstick light. I don't break, I don't bend, I ride strong till the end. 'Cause I'm wild at heart, yeah, I was born to fight. Turn the engine up, let's set the world alight. I don't need permission just to play my part. Rock it loud, rock it hard, I'm wild at heart. People talk like they know my name, but they don't know a thing about the fire in my veins. Every scar is a badge I earned, every lesson is a corner turned. I walk fast and I talk real straight. If you can't keep up, better clear my way. I'm a wildfire kiss in the black of night, a little danger wrapped up in a neon light. I don't break, I don't bend, I ride strong till the end. A little more speed, head up, hands tight, baby, hold on fast. Life's just a ride, so make it last. 'Cause I'm wild at heart, yeah, I was born to fight. Turn the engine up, let's set the world alight. No fear, no doubt, just a beating heart. Rock it loud, rock it hard, I'm wild at heart.
At nearly 24 miles long, getting stuck or breaking down on the causeway can feel intense, especially when you can't see land. That's why the bridge has frequent police patrols, emergency call boxes, marked turnarounds every few miles, strict rules for high winds and fog. Fun fact: fog is one of the biggest challenges here. When it gets too dense, the causeway police escort drivers in convoys to prevent accidents.
And a rising sun, steel and chrome are my only run. Wind in my face, heart in my hand, miles of dreams across this land. Yeah, every line on this old black top tells a story that'll never stop. I'm riding free, wild as the breeze. No cage can hold a soul like me. The sky's my roof, the road's my creed. Throttle open, yeah, that's all I need. Signs blur by in the heat and haze, chasing life in a cloud of grace. Don't need no map, don't need a plan, just the rumble rolling through my hands. I'm riding free, wild as the breeze. No cage Maybe someday I'll slow it down, but not while the wheels still spin around. Freedom's calling, can't you hear that sound? Riding free, yeah, I'm riding free. Yeah, I'm riding free. This heart don't need no guarantee. Wind and thunder carry me. Forever wild, forever free.
Below the bridge, Lake Pontchartrain is teeming with wildlife. Redfish, speckled trout, crabs, pelicans, and the occasional dolphin pass through the brackish water. The bridge's pilings have created one of Louisiana's most productive fisheries, drawing anglers year-round.
The morning hums beneath the chrome. We chase the dawn, two hearts alone. Skies on fire, the wind's our guide. Your hand finds mine, and the world's just right. No map, no plan, just the thunder roll. Every mile writes another soul. 'Cause you're my ride or die, through rain or shine. Every curve we take, we leave time behind. From the bayous to the mountain sky, it's you and me, babe. Ride or die. Dust on the road and sun on my skin. We laugh at the storm, we're riding in. Gasoline dreams and that Harley sound. That's where our hearts are truly found. Highway prayers and freedom songs. Love's in the rumble that rolls along. You're my ride or die, through rain or shine. Every curve we take, we leave time behind. From the bayous to the mountain sky, it's you and me, babe. Ride or die. If the road ever ends, I know where I'll be. Still chasing the wind with you next to me. Underneath that endless sky, no goodbye, just ride or die. You're my ride or die, my open sky. The reason I live, the reason I fly. From the bridges of dreams to the wild sunrise, it's forever you and me. Ride or die. Ride or die.
More than 30,000 vehicles cross the causeway every single day. Southbound traffic pays a toll, currently around $5 for cars, with discounts for commuters. Northbound travel is free. The causeway is so important to locals that it's simply known as the bridge. Everyone knows which one. Riding the causeway feels different from any other road. With no land in sight, it almost feels like you're floating. On clear days, the horizon blends sky and water into one line. On stormy days, waves slap hard against the pilings. And if you're crossing at sunrise or sunset, Lake Pontchartrain lights up in golden orange.
Chrome shining under morning skies. The wind's whisper says it's time to rise. for gold. Just stories that can't be told. I ride like thunder under fire skies, steel and spirit where the wild road lies. No map, no tether, just me and forever, born to ride like thunder. Desert moon and canyon flame, every sunset knows my name. From Texas dust to mountain rain, I find myself again and again